Hey friends, me and baby girl are back today with another video. I am super excited to be here as always. So if you want to see how I transform this pair of nightstands, please keep watching for the end results. But I am just going to be talking to you guys today about where I've been, what I've been up to, what's been on my heart. And I would also love to hear from you all about how you guys are doing, what's been going on with you, what's new. Is anyone expecting? Yeah, I would love to know all of the things. But to start off, I am just trying to remove the dent from the top of this nightstand. I learned this hack from another flipper here on YouTube, but I'll be honest, it did not work for me. However, I was being very cautious. I did not want to ruin the top of the nightstand, so I didn't really leave the heat on for a long period of time. That could be why it didn't work, but I just nixed the whole idea and I went ahead and just cleaned the entire piece with my Dawn soap and warm water. So as far as where I've been, you guys know I've just been adjusting to motherhood and I've been loving it, honestly. I told you guys even in my last video that I've kind of shifted over into TikTok and just creating content over there, and I've been enjoying that as well. I am kind of losing my fire for furniture for some reason. I do think it is just for a season and I'm just praying like it returns as we get more acclimated here. But I will say I have been kind of just going over things in my mind as far as my YouTube channel, trying to figure out if I just want to redirect my content into a different niche or if I just want to revisit it when the fire returns. I've just always been afraid to kind of venture out into new content ideas. I've done all of the lifestyle content and things like over the course of several years now. So when I finally found my niche, I kind of just wanted to stick with that. I know I have vlogged a little bit, but I don't know. I've gotten away from that, and I am just contemplating whether or not I want to return into my vlogging era. You guys can let me know if you would be interested. I think that would give me some motivation to return. But I don't know. I just don't want to bore you guys and scare you guys off. I will say, quick disclaimer, if you guys noticed the last clip, the two tops looked entirely different, and that kind of put a monkey wrench in my original plan for this nightstand set, which you guys will see as we continue on in the process of this video. So quick update on Malia. She's thriving. She's 10 months old. I cannot believe it. She's going to be one in any day now. She has 8 teeth. She is not walking yet, but I know she will be soon, and we're not in any rush. She's still on this breastfeeding journey. It's a struggle. I've given up on pumping, but we are just trying to make it to 12 months, and we're almost there. Pray for me. But yeah, she's doing really good, you guys, and she is saying dada now. She says a lot of things, not so much words, but like babbles. She babbles a lot. She has a lot to say. And yeah, she's doing great, you guys. I just simply want to ask that you place a vote for her. I don't know if you all have heard the news, but she's in the running to become Baby of the Year for 2024. And she's been doing really well in the competition. She's officially in the top 5, and I'm really not sure what's next from here. We went from top 20 to now top 5, and I'm just praying that she makes it into the finals and gets that #1 spot. So I'm asking that you place a vote. I'll leave the link in the description box. Votes are free unless you choose to donate. And as long as you have a Facebook account, you are eligible to place a vote, 1 vote per day. So we would be so grateful if you just simply went on there and just clicked to vote for Malia McConnor. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have to say as far as baby girl. I will say hello. You can say good morning if you like. Say hello. Hi. Say, how are you? Say, how are you? Well, I was just giving her an opportunity to say hello. She just finished a nursing session, so she's super talkative now all of a sudden. But the last I had to say was that she's doing really well. And then I was just going to also let you guys know that my husband is also doing very well. He is actually out coaching right now. You guys already know he's coaching basketball. I'm really excited because tryouts are in just a few weeks, so the season is getting ready to start. And that is something I'm really actually looking forward to, attending the games and watching and supporting. And I'm really excited for that next chapter. So let me go grab her because she has my paint gun, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do want to just start a small conversation in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from my mothers that are out there watching my content. I would love to know, what was your journey like after having your first child in terms of your career? Did you take a break and return once your child went back to school? Did you transition into just becoming a full-time stay-at-home mom? Did you do both? Or Did you have to look into working from home? Did you lose sight of your passions or hobbies that you had? Like, just, I would like to know kind of what it looked like for you. I'm just in a place of trying to figure things out. Where do I go from here? Like I said earlier in the video, I did lose a little bit of fire from my furniture flipping journey, and I'm kind of sad about that, but I do believe that it's just temporary. But even if it's not furniture flipping, I do want to find something that brings me the same level of joy that I used to get from furniture flipping. I just need I need my me thing again. And so I guess I'm just looking for some insight, some feedback. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, just let me know down below in the comment section, please. So as far as the paint color, I'm pretty sure this is Antique White from Dunn Edwards. I was trying to do a painted base stained top situation, and it just didn't work out. As you guys saw earlier, one of the nightstands had a really interesting pattern on the wood grain. It wasn't anything that I had done wrong. It was just the style of the wood. So unfortunately, I'm just going to paint over the entire piece one solid color. I know you guys are probably bored of me doing it this way, and I know there are other alternatives that I could have tried. So unfortunately, this is going to be a very simple transformation. Definitely not the vision that I saw, but bear with me. Okay, so the last step is to add my hardware, and I'll be honest, I typically cannot stand this part of the process, but I received a new drill in the mail, so thanks to Hi Chica, this went so much more smoothly than it could have ever gone for me in the past. It was just time for a new drill, so this was so timely. I'm so grateful. It comes with several different bits. It has a very high voltage, and I just encourage you to check out the link in the description box below if you are in need of a new drill. The right tools really do make all the difference. Yeah, so this is your sign to not sleep if you're in need of a drill. Go ahead and check out my link down below, and that pretty much concludes this video. I do want to also again remind you to vote for my daughter for Baby of the Year. That will be linked in the description box as well. I truly have missed you guys. Can't wait to hear how you guys are doing. I truly feel like some of you all are expecting, so let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.